Hello, my dear little warriors. Welcome back. Now, in this video, we shall see how to prove root 5 is irrational using 5 simple steps. Just follow these 5 simple steps and you will be able to solve questions like this, whether it is root 2, root 3 or root 5. It does not matter. Just follow these 5 steps. Okay, without wasting much time, let's get into the solution of this particular problem. First is step number 1. What is step number 1? In step 1 we assume root 5 as rational. So step 1 is assumption that root 5 is rational. If root 5 is rational, then it can be written of the form a by b. Root 5 will be equal to a by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. Moreover, a and b have got only one common factor, that is 1. Apart from that, they don't have any other common factor. Hence, they are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. This is step 1. Step 2 is we will square this. Step 2 is squaring. So root 5 is equal to a by b. We will square it. Then we will get 5 is equal to 5a square by b. That implies 5b square is equal to a square. Now step number 3 is using theorem 1.2. What does theorem 1.2 says? If a prime number divides a square, then that prime number will also divide a. So step 3 is using theorem 1.2. Step 3, using theorem 1.2. If p divides a square, then p divides a also. Therefore, a square is divisible by 5. A square is divisible by 5 and a is also divisible by 5. A is also divisible by 5. Then we can write a is equal to 5 times c, where c is equal to some integer. Now, the next step is substitution. We will substitute a is equal to 5c in step number 2 and then again use theorem 1.2. The step number 4 is substitution. Substitution and then use theorem 1.2. Substitution means, so we substitute a is equal to 5c in this one. 5b square is equal to a square. This implies 5b square is equal to 5c the whole square. That is equal to 5b square is equal to 25c square, or 5 times, or b square will be equal to 5c square. Now if you see, as per theorem 1.2, b square is divided by 5. So if prime divides b square, then prime will also divide b. Therefore, b square is divisible by 5 and b is also divisible by 5 using theorem 1.1.2. So b square is divisible by 5 and b is also divisible by 5. Now we got two factors. Step 5 is contradiction. Step 5 is contradiction. Contradiction. Why? Because we assume root 5 as rational and therefore we wrote them as a by b, where a and b are co-prime numbers. But here we find a and b has got 5 as common factor, has got 5 as common factor. So this contradicts, says that a and b are not co-prime. Therefore a and b are not co-prime. So this contradiction has arrived due to our incorrect assumption that root 5 is rational. Therefore root 5 is irrational. Hence proof. Hope you understood the working of this problem. If you have any doubts, please leave a comment. I will be very happy to reply to your comments. Thank you so much and have a nice day.